How to get a $30 Uber Eats promo code. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you a method from which you can get a $30 or more on Uber Eats promo code. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to give our video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest videos. On that note, let's get right into it. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to any of your web browser, and here you are just going to search for Uber Eats promo code. And once you do that, you will see different kinds of websites which provide you promo codes for free. So you can just tap on any one of them, and once you do so, your website will open like this. So here you will get various discounts like $15 off, 75% off, $15, $10, and many more. All you have to do is tap on any one of these codes, and as you can see, it will show up the code right here. You can just copy it and tap on redeem on Uber Eats. And if your phone has Uber Eats, you can just open it directly from here. And when you check out on your order, you just enter this promo code, and if the promo code is valid, it should be applied to your order. So that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.